This 2-ingredient remedy flushes harmful toxins and waste from your colon. Before we start with this video and show you how to make this powerful 2-ingredient remedy, you should know that doing a colon cleanse is a good way to flush toxins from your body and restore your digestive system to a fresh start. Yes, and trust me, this amazing and easy to make remedy will help you to cleanse your colon when you need it done fast. You should also know that this home remedy is easy, gentle and effective. This is not a fast flush type of colon cleanse. This will simply purify the system as the ingredients work to help your body filter out the bad as waste, and retain the good bacterial balance of your digestive system. The main ingredient in this amazing home remedy is raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. We all know that apple cider vinegar has gained a lot of interest recently, from both the medical research community and also from those who are looking for natural remedies for health problems. It is inexpensive and provides many health benefits for your colon health and for the rest of your body also. Note, and you should be very careful when you shop for apple cider vinegar. Yes, you should look for the variety that still has the murky stuff floating at the bottom of the bottle. This is the good stuff called the mother that you want, because it has a lot of nutritional benefits that have not been filtered out of the processed and pasteurized types of apple cider vinegar. And you should also know that these unfiltered particles will give you the most benefits to cleanse your colon fast. The experts also say that the mother of apple cider vinegar contains the bacteria Acetobacter, which combines with oxygen to ferment the apple cider into vinegar. This is helpful bacteria that breaks down food in our gut. Apple cider vinegar may also help reduce irregularity of the bowels, as well as lowering blood sugar levels after a meal and reducing blood pressure. How to make this 2-ingredient remedy and safely cleanse your colon fast. Yes, you will be amazed when you find out that this colon cleanse recipe is very simple. You just need 2 simple ingredients, as we said, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar and some raw unprocessed honey. Shake the bottle of apple cider vinegar to mix up the unfiltered part that settles at the bottom before measuring out the amount of vinegar to use. How to make this 2-ingredients remedy. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of honey into a glass with 8 ounces of warm water. Mix well until the honey dissolves. You can drink this at the start of your day or anytime you feel like you need to cleanse your colon. Feel free to continue your normal daily activities without concern about when the cleanse will take effect. And don't worry, the experts say that you shouldn't be near a bathroom constantly with this type of colon cleanse. Again, although the effects of this cleanse are fast-acting in that they are easily absorbed by your digestive system, you will not experience a quick movement of your bowels by drinking it. Health benefits of this 2-ingredient remedy. First, you should know that a group of researchers have discovered that vinegar is a serious health beneficial food-enhancing substance that has many healthy compounds. They say that the therapeutic effects of vinegar arise from consuming the many bioactive components that it contains, which include acetic acid, gallic acid, catechin, efficatechin, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, picoumaric acid and ferulic acid. Note, the medical experts say that vinegar's many bioactive compounds have health benefits that include antioxidant, prevents diabetes, antimicrobial, prevents cancerous tumors, helps obesity, hypertension, lowers cholesterol. A recent study conducted by a group of researchers in Japan has found that a rice wine vinegar reduced colon cancer in rats and was found to kill other types of cancer cells, including lung, breast, bladder and prostate cancer cells. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.